What is the best VPN out there? I'm about to tell you, drumroll please, that my favorite is the #1 NordVPN, and let me tell you why. Why is NordVPN the best? Not always because they have the best deals, all right? But they've got a Christmas deal running right now, so please have a look. But just to start it off, the connection speed for NordVPN, 6,730, compare it to all others, blows out the water. It has WireGuard, which is the top speed protocol, all right, that not many others have either. VPN servers, 5,200. We will actually dive into this VPN more in detail. And the verified no logs, like everything should, live customer support. And one massive thing I like is the users. You can actually use 6 different users on NordVPN. Okay, their website's slick. It works on every platform you can imagine, and it looks great. Now, let me take you into the actual VPN app. So this is what it looks like inside, all right? You can see on the countries list, we have an abundance of countries. And not only that, if you click on one of these countries, inside of it, you actually have the different servers. So imagine how many we've got, over 5,000 you can choose from. If I want to get to, let's say, Argentina, and this server does not work for me, okay, I can use any of the 3 servers in here. I don't just have to use one. I can use Brazil. I can use Argentina, I can use Chile, so anyone in South America. And inside of them, they have their own servers. So inside of Argentina, I can use 53 and try and connect to that one. Shows you how easy this is when you have an abundance of servers. Now, things like Netflix trying to block you out, you could just use a different server. A fantastic part of this is the kill switch. NordVPN has the kill switch, all right? What that does, it allows you to go online, and if any server would drop out, say the one in Brazil that we were just connecting to drops out, it wipes your stuff off the internet. You don't get anything left on the internet, so no one can find anything of yours, okay? That keeps you secure, which is fantastic. Another amazing thing about it is it actually has it on both, okay? We have it on phone, we have it on desktop, we can get it on tablet, anything you want. So you don't just have to have it on the big screen computer. You can do it while you're traveling on your phone or your iPad. The biggest selling point of NordVPN is actually the features, okay? Just looking at the most popular ones there, you've got the secure internet, which is what we spoke about, the strict no logs policy, so it doesn't actually track, collect, or share your data. Use with ease, all right, securing your internet connection as simple as you can. Multiple devices, like we spoke about, everyone in the room can have it up to 6 people. That's a whole family can be using this. It's the fastest VPN. It actually is the fastest one compared to all the major VPNs. Access your content anywhere with a full range of streaming. VPN servers everywhere, like I showed you, and the threat protection, okay? So it avoids online hazards. It can benefit you in multiple ways, but most importantly is being safe. Whether you are working online or if you're just doing this for fun to watch Netflix, please be safe and always keep your security intact. VPNs like NordVPN helps do that a lot. Okay, they will keep you as safe as possible with the fastest speed and convenience that they have. So again, guys, if you are interested for this, that link down below is going to get you the best deal on NordVPN, all right? At onlyvpn.net, we provide the most exclusive deals on the internet for this. And the pricing right now is getting very well coming up to Christmas. It's super cheap compared to other VPNs, okay? With the 2-year plan, you're looking at as low as £4.39 a month just for the complete choice. £4.39, that's less than a Costa coffee, all right? For a whole VPN and everything I've just spoke about. That's insane. It's incredible. There's people talking about these all the time, and you can actually go to the business side if that's what you want to look at. But it's super easy. You can see the extension up here. You just click it, comes up, open the preferences, open your main window, and you are here ready to rock and roll. Okay, super easy. You can get through all your different ones on the side, whatever you want to have a look at. I love NordVPN, guys. That's exactly why I love it. I don't want to keep this video going any longer, but make sure you let me know in the comments if you like it too. Guys, please hit that link down below. You will get the best deal for NordVPN right now. If it's not for you, there is other VPNs on the website that you can have a look at. But NordVPN is the review I'm giving you because it's my favorite, and I think it probably is the #1 VPN out there. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.